Welcome to my channel. HP LaserJet Pro MFP M227 Wi-Fi setup with TP-Link router, easy connection guide. Unbox the printer and remove all packaging materials, tapes, and protective covers. Place the printer near your TP-Link router for a strong Wi-Fi signal. Connect the power cord to the printer and plug it into a wall socket, then turn it on. Wait for the printer to complete its initial setup and be in a ready state. On the printer's control panel, press the wireless button or go to the Network Settings menu. Select Wireless Setup Wizard to search for available Wi-Fi networks. From the list, choose your TP-Link router's Wi-Fi name, SSID. Enter the TP-Link Wi-Fi password carefully using the printer's keypad, then confirm. Wait until the printer displays a connected message, meaning it's linked to your router. On your computer or smartphone, download the HP Smart app. From the HP website, Microsoft Store, Google Play Store, or Apple App Store. Open the HP Smart app and tap Set up a new printer to detect your HP M227 on the network. Follow the app's prompts to install the required drivers and complete the setup. Once the installation is done, try printing a test page to confirm the connection is working. If the printer doesn't connect, restart your TP-Link router and try the setup again. Keep the printer's firmware updated through the HP Smart app to avoid future connection issues. Thank you for watching.